Wanna know how to use the Jetpack plugin in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up WordPress.com and make sure you are under your WP admin of your favorite site. Now, once you're under the WP admin, just simply hit towards plugin right here and then select Add Plugin. Now, once you've selected Add Plugin, here you should be seeing Jetpack on the first home page right here. If you don't, just simply hit towards search plugins and search it out. Now once that is done, you can just simply select activate, and once your Jetpack has been activated, it should be right under dashboard. So you can just simply select it and hit towards its settings. Now once you're under its settings, here you can be seeing various enable disabling options of securities that you can see. So right here you can see downtime monitoring, on protection, firewall, brute force protection, and much more as you scroll through. Unfortunately, I'm on offline mode, so it's not available for me. So you can also head towards performance, writing, sharing, discussion, and much more. You can just simply increase optimization, security, as well as backup. So you can also head towards a dashboard on how much scan or security threat it has handled. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.